Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage B, Dogs, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. A low rumbling growl came from the largest dog's throat. It bared its brown and crooked teeth. The other dogs, younger and less confident, backed away. The big dog's growl stopped and was replaced by the sound of it crunching and munching the food in its bowl. The big dog got the best biscuits. The younger dogs wanted them. Questions. Suggest a synonym for bared as it is used in the text. Why did the large dog growl? What did the big dog do after it growled? Why did the younger dogs back away? Now let's check the answers. Suggest a synonym for bared as it is used in the text. We can see the word bared here in the second sentence. Well, we can say showed or revealed as alternative words for bared. Why did the big dog growl? We know it growls because it mentions it in the first sentence, saying a low rumbling growl came from the largest dog's throat. So perhaps we could say the big dog wanted to eat all of the biscuits itself, or the big dog did not want the younger dogs to come near it. Both good answers. What did the big dog do after it growled? Well, the big dog ate the biscuits. We know this because it says the big dog's growl stopped and was replaced by the sound of it crunching and munching the food in its bowl. Why did the younger dogs back away? A few options here. We could say the younger dogs were smaller and less confident. We could also say the younger dogs were intimidated by the big dog, and it mentions the largest dog in the first sentence, meaning the other dogs are smaller. Or we could say the other dog was larger, older, and more confident. It does mention the other younger dogs being less confident in the third sentence. That's about it. Thank you for your time. How did you go?